Alright, it's time for another unboxing video. And this time it's something that will affect this channel quite a lot, because up until now I've always used the internal microphone of my camera to record, but from now on I will use an external microphone. And the one I decided to get was the Blue Yeti Blackout. Got the box right here, and we'll get right into the box. So, as I ordered it off the web, we start off with the cardboard box. Comes in a good package. And here is the box, the side and the top, the back side, and what I think is supposedly the front. So it's also marked up because it's one of those deals that I usually buy because they are offering good prices on products that has been returned back to the store. So let's see how this is presented. That's it for that box. And we got another box. Yay! Keep those boxes coming. This box is also taped up. So let's cut through it. And here we come into the actual product. Starting off, a USB cable. It looks fairly long. It's a mini USB to regular USB. And yeah, probably about 3 meters or so. When we lift off this first part here, we have some instructions. Ultimate USB microphone for professional recording. And then we come to the actual microphone. It's quite heavy. Yes. And there it is. Oh, look at it. This is really nice. I will get this one plugged in to my computer at the workstation, and then I will take up some time and do a little bit of voiceover, and then you can hear and compare the noise from when I use the internal microphone now, just like a first test, and then I will do a more full test later on. So cheers for now. Okay, so now I have set up the microphone on my desk and I have plugged it in. Used a mini USB cable, and also plugged in my headphones into the monitor jack in the bottom, so I will be able to directly monitor what I'm saying through the microphone. And now I will switch over to a quick screencast, and I will start off with screencast using the internal microphone on my MacBook, And then I will switch to a screencast with the Blue Yeti Blackout microphone. I'm now in screencasting mode, and I will just do it real quickly so that you can listen to the internal microphone of this MacBook Pro. And I will also show you how to switch the active microphone and the active input source to the Blue Yeti microphone. So you just go to the Apple logo and then to System Preferences and to Sound. And here you have devices for sound. Now we're actually on the output for sound, as you can see there. We want to switch that to the input of sound, and you can see the sound is coming in through the internal microphone. And here we'll just switch right over to the Yeti stereo microphone, and I will cancel this screencast and I will show you how it sounds with the Blue Yeti. Okay, I am now switched over to the Blue Yeti microphone that is placed on my desktop. So now you can hear the difference between the internal microphone in my MacBook Pro and this Blue Yeti Blackout. Just for the sake of it, I will do the similar process as I did last time. I go to System Preferences, I go to Sound, and then we can see that now actually internal microphone is still chosen because I used the Yeti setting in Quicktime, where you can enter what microphone you want to use for input sound. Now I also use the monitoring straight from the microphone, which I can tell from a start works really well because there's no lag whatsoever. When you're monitoring through the computer, there is a fair bit of lag, and it makes it really hard to focus because you have to listen to yourself about a second after you actually say stuff. So that makes it quite a bit harder to do actual proper recordings. So now you have the first record test of this microphone, and I will come back and test the different modes and do a bit of a review and some different things. And you will also hear the sound from this microphone coming up in the next videos. So enjoy your day and see you soon.